Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So, so this is the picture of drainage of the aqueous humor. Aqueous humor from the posterior chamber, it goes into the anterior chamber, and from there it reaches the trabecular meshwork. From the trabecular meshwork, it reaches the Clem's canal, and from there it goes into the episcleral veins. Whereas in the second type, which is uveoscleral flow, which accounts for only 10%, from the posterior chamber, it goes to the ciliary body, and from there it goes to the veins of the ciliary body. So this is the picture which is depicting the drainage of the aqueous humor.
thank you and thank you for watching.